Downtown Los Angeles, DTLA. Downtown Los Angeles, DTLA, is the central business district of Los Angeles, California, and it's a vibrant hub of culture, commerce, and entertainment. Here's a guide to exploring downtown LA. 1. Grand Downtown LA with a visit to Grand Central Market, a historic food hall that has been serving Angelinos since 1917. Sample a diverse array of cuisines from around the world, including tacos, Thai food, falafel, and more. 2. The Broad Asterisk. Visit the Broad, a museum located on Grand Avenue. The museum's collection features works by renowned artists such as Andy Warhol, Jeff Koons, and Yayoi Kusama. Be sure to check out the museum's striking architecture, including its iconic veil and vaulted design. 3. The Walt Disney Concert Hall, home to the Los Angeles Philharmonic Orchestra, designed by architect Frank. The concert hall is renowned for its stunning stainless steel exterior and world-class acoustics. If you're lucky, you might catch a performance or take a guided tour of the building. 4. The historic core asterisk. Downtown LA, which is filled with beautiful historic buildings, trendy boutiques, and hip eateries. Don't miss the Bradbury Building, an architectural gem featured in films like Blade Runner and The Last Bookstore, a massive bookstore housed in a former bank building. 5. Arts District asterisk. Venture Oak, a former industrial area that has been transformed into a thriving arts and cultural district. Explore galleries, street art, and creative spaces, and grab a bite to eat at one of the neighborhood's trendy restaurants or craft breweries. 6. Pershing Square asterisk. Take a break. Pershing Square, a public park located in the heart of downtown LA. The park features green spaces, fountains, and outdoor art installations, and it hosts events and concerts throughout the year. 7. Little Tokyo. Heritage of Little Tokyo, one of the largest Japanese American communities in the United States. Explore the neighborhood's historic temples, museums, and shops, and enjoy authentic Japanese cuisine at one of the many restaurants. 8. At LA Live, an entertainment complex located near the center. Catch a concert or sporting event at the Staples Center, watch a movie at the Regal Cinemas, or dine at one of the many restaurants and bars in the area. Downtown Los Angeles offers a dynamic mix of attractions, from historic landmarks to contemporary cultural experiences. Whether you're interested in art, architecture, cuisine, or entertainment, DTLA, something for everyone to enjoy. Find more vlogs at https://www.com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRRE courses. https://com/webinar. Scale effortlessly with beginning success. Collaborations, comprehensive resources. https://. God bless you.